Welcome back everyone to a new video on how to fix. In today's guide video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix no sound on Snapchat. If you do not get any sounds when you're receiving snaps on your Snapchat, let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. Now either this could be a bug which may be causing the issue, or second of all, the sound option on your Snapchat may be turned off. So let's check the sound option first. Open up the settings on your device and open up the notifications panel or the notifications option on your device. If you don't see this option, you can also search for it on the search bar. So search for notifications and open up app notifications. Once you're inside, open up the Snapchat and make sure that these show notifications is toggled on. And inside of it, you'll also see allow sound. Make sure that allow sound is also toggled on. You can try switching it on and off. Once that is done, under general, also try to switch this on and off. Now the main part is the messaging section. Also toggle this on and off a couple of times and tap on snaps and chats. Here also repeat the same process and you'll see an option of sound right here. You can just tap on the sound option and try changing it to any different sound, whether it be on your phone or if you have any application that you can choose the ringtone from. You can do that, but by default the generic push, which is the default sound of Snapchat, will be selected. Now once you do this step, try to see if this fixes the issue. If this does not, then a bug may be causing that issue. So the way that you can clear out bugs is to uninstall the Snapchat from your phone, completely uninstall it from your device, and then you can again re-download it from the Play Store or the App Store. Re-download it and log into your account. And lastly, you can also try rebooting your phones. Sometimes the apps may not be the problem and the problem may be your phone. So rebooting your phones is also a great way to solve this issue. After you do these couple of steps, your problem of no sound on Snapchat should be fixed, and you should be able to hear sounds whenever you get a notification or a message. So that's all it takes to fix no sound on Snapchat. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel if you guys found this video helpful. If you want more videos similar to this, be sure to turn on the notifications of our channel. That's all for today's video, and I'll be back with more.